You can move it around, reposition it, and also resize. How to link layers in Photoshop. Select a layer and select another layer. Once you've done that, go down to the bottom and there's a little link there. Just click it. Now you'll see the link symbol. And if you move it like that, you can also resize it and they will all resize together. And press return. Say I want to link this layer and this layer. Click, and with them both selected, go up to. If you want to connect these layers, select, and then again go here to link. Now they're linked, and if you move it around, reposition it, just select one and the other one will move as well. And this can be done with 15 or 20 layers. So you want all of them to be linked, select this one, this one, this one, and this one. Again, go down here and click link. And then you can move it around, reposition it, and also resize. You can also link via a layer menu and just down to link layers. You can now see they're all linked. With them all linked, you can always go here and click here, and then they're unlinked again. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Bye.